Welcome back to Blue's Garden Tips. How I use the Florida weave to support my tomato plants. I start out by tying one end of the string on the very first stake I have. After I've tied the string off, then I will go on the outside of the first tomato plant, inside of the first post, outside of the next tomato plant, inside of the next post. Basically, I am crisscrossing the entire length, alternating inside plant, inside stake, outside. Tie it off towards the other end and return to the beginning. So by crossing on the opposite side of the first set of string. I hope that's not too confusing. I'm going to take a quick look at it from overhead so you can see what I'm talking about. But alternate, and then when you get to the end, you tie it off at your starting point. So looking at the top down, you see that you go outside plant, around the post, inside plant, outside post, inside plant. You go back and forth, and that way there you're not tying a knot on the stem of the plant and risk breaking it. On your way back, you go on the opposite side that you came back. Opposite side of the post, opposite side of the plant, and you crisscross back and forth. Thanks, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more Blue's Garden Tips.